Hi guys, it's your girl Cindy. So on today's episode, we'll be talking about Mohbad's papa. Yes, Mohbad's father. Bella Shmurda tweeted yesterday that asking the police how far. As soon as no one release the autopsy result, abeg make una help us release Mohbad's body. Make we forgive the boy befitting burial. As the boy no see rest when he was alive, at least make he for see rest now when he don't kpai. Mohbad's papa, I don't know, maybe he saw the tweet or something. He can't do video that same yesterday. Let's watch the video.
Reverend, I've been hearing say maybe some people want to go and carry Mohbad body. Please, when this boy dey alive, it's my son. When he still go, he still retain my name. Nobody should go there to take his body. Please, I beg you now, people, I beg everybody, every one of you. If they want to do anything there, I will be the one to authorize them. Nobody should go and carry Mohbad body from there. I beg everybody, please, Nigerians, help me chat on them. Nobody should go there. Because the judges was say we need judges for Mohbad. And people now say they want to go and bury. After bury, wetin remain now? Let the judges take place first. And the rest of things we're supposed to do, the DNA is necessary.
So Mohbad's papa sabi say you go cool down before you do things. So you sabi say justice dey for this world. Oga, you sabi say justice dey, na you just carry your son bury like fowl. How can a reasonable papa, me sef dey follow people wey dey talk say make we do DNA for you. As you dey demand for DNA for justice for Mohbad, this thing, make you for do DNA for your head. You sure say na you born Mohbad? Ha! Oh, so una don see the video now. He come dey demand say make we foresee justice before we bury Mohbad. Make nobody go carry Mohbad's body bury. Make we foresee justice before they bury Mohbad. But my own be say make una allow this boy rest. This boy has been on hot oil since the time wey he dey alive up to this very moment wey he don kpai. Which kind life be this one wey this boy come to? Make una do fast, make una carry this boy lay to rest, make he for rest. As una no gree am stay for this world, make the other world people accept am. Ha! Oh.